Hey, what's going on? It's your boy jantointhedon. So real quick, as a part of our membership, this course come with it. It used to be $20,000 at one point. Now it's $5,000, and I guess they're doing a deal on it for $3,000. When you find out how much we charge for the membership, you're gonna be like, no way. Also, companies like these tend to charge between $200 and $350 a month just for Forex and crypto. Those other companies, they send you Forex signals. Putting in a signal don't take that long. I'm an experienced trader, so it takes me about 30 seconds. I'm gonna show you what you gotta do to put in a signal, and then I'm gonna show you how long it takes with one of the tools that we have as a result of one of the partnerships we have.
We've created this platform where we make it easy for you to connect with our expert traders and algorithms, where your account will in real time mirror everything that these master accounts are doing. You literally tap a big giant button on the screen that says add. Let me tap on that, and boom, that is added to my account. One simple step, you just tap add.
We also have live classes with 6, 7, going on 8-figure educators, and every call is recorded, so you can go back and check it out in case you missed it. And keep in mind, this is only one product inside of the vault alone. We got multiple educators doing Forex. We also have sports betting, crypto, stock options, AI marketing, personal development, faith-based academy. Then we got other products that comes with the membership. VYB Global, where you can sell your ebooks and courses. It's like our version of the vault. And a social media platform is coming. We got VYB Tribe, where you can network with entrepreneurial minded people. You got VYB Fitness, where you can do meal preps and work out. You got Spotlight, where you can spotlight a person's business. We got VYB Styles, where you can submit designs and earn a rev share. If people need to brand their business, they'll show them how to do that. We got websites, CRMs, whatever you need is inside of BrandWorks. VYB Ventures is like a Shark Tank type of funding opportunity where we're gonna be running contests and things like that. Like, there's so much value. The other company I showed you for $375, the price ain't even close to that. It's cheaper. Like, the value you getting is ridiculous. So get back to the person that showed you this video and get started. See you on the beaches of the world.
When the vibe hits, watch how I paint this picture.